Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. As you are promoted to class 9th, this is your mathematics book for class 9th of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa textbook board Peshawar, in which there are 17 chapters. Okay. Total chapters are 17. The first one chapter is matrices. So we will start from the first chapter of this book, that is matrices. Before starting this chapter, we are discussing the course content which you have to cover in your midterm. These are the course contents. Let's have a look on it. Course to be covered in midterm. The first one chapter is chapter number 1, matrices. There are 6 exercises. So exercise 1.1 to exercise 1.6 and then the review exercise 1. The next chapter which we have to do in midterm is chapter number 6, algebraic expression and algebraic formulas. Exercise 6.1 to exercise 6.3 and exercise review exercise 6. After that we will do chapter number 7 inshallah, that is linear equation and inequalities, from exercise 7.1 to 7.4, and also the review exercise 7. Chapter number 11, parallelogram and triangles. There are theorems in this chapter and total 5 theorems we have to learn in this chapter. So from theorem 11.1 to 11.5 and then a review exercise of this chapter. Next one is chapter number 12, line bisector and angle bisectors. Again from theorem 12.1 to 12.6 plus review exercise 12. The next chapter is chapter number 13, side and angles of a triangle. So from theorem 13.1 to 13.4 plus review exercise 13. And the last one chapter is chapter number 17, practical geometry. There are 3 exercises in this chapter, but in the midterm we will do exercise 13, exercise 17.2. This is exercise 17.2. and also review exercise 17. Okay, so now I will start the first chapter, which is matrices. Let's come to the definition of the matrix. Introduction to matrices. The word matrices is plural of the word matrix. The term matrix was first introduced by the mathematician Arthur Cayley in 1860. Okay, now we will discuss what is a matrix. Matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array or arrangement of real numbers enclosed in square brackets. Each number in a matrix is called the element or entry of the matrix. For example, 2, 3, 5, 6. These 4 numbers are arranged like a rectangle shape and also enclosed in square brackets, so it is called a matrix. Similarly, the next one matrix is -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 numbers or 6 elements which are enclosed in the square brackets and also arranged like a rectangle shape. These numbers are arranged like a rectangle shape, as by definition there is a word of rectangular array, means rectangular arrangement of the numbers, and also you have to enclose them in the square brackets. So this is also an example of a matrix. Similarly, the example 3, 4, 2, -1, 1, -2, -4, -3 and -3 is also a matrix. Okay, let us consider the first one matrix. In the matrix 2, 3, 6, 5, the numbers 2, 3, 6 and 5 are the elements or entries of the matrix. Similarly, in this matrix, these all numbers 2, 3, 4, 2, -1, 1, -2, -4, -3 and 5 are all the elements or entries of the given matrix. Now, the next one topic is rows and columns of a matrix. What is meant by a row? The rows of a matrix run horizontally and the columns of a matrix run vertically. Let us consider the example. There is a matrix A where 9 elements 4, 3, -2, 1, 5, 2, 3, 1 and 1 are enclosed in the square brackets. So the horizontal arrangement of the numbers, the first one is 4, 3 and minus 2. This is the first row. 4, 3 and minus 2 are arranged horizontally, so they continue the first row. Okay, so the first row of this matrix is 4, 3, minus 2. Similarly, the second row of this matrix will be 1, 5, 2, and the third row of this matrix will be 3, 1 and 1. Now let us consider column. Column of a matrix means, as by the definition, the columns of a matrix run vertically. So in this example, 4, 1, 3 is the first column, 3, 5, 1 is the second column, and minus 2, 2, 1 is the third column. Now we will start the exercise. Exercise 1.1. Question number 1 is, which of the following are square and which of the following are rectangular matrices? So the first part is, there is a matrix A, and in matrix A there are 4 elements, 2, 3, 0, 5. So number of rows in matrix A, the first row and the second row. 2, 3 is the first row and 0, 5 is the second row. So the number of rows are 2. Similarly, the number of columns. Okay. The first column is 2, 0 and the second column is 3, 5. So there are 2 columns. As the number of rows is equal to number of columns, so A is a square matrix. So A is a square matrix. So A is a square matrix. Now consider the second example in which matrix B is given. So the number of rows in matrix B are 1, 6, 3 and minus 1 is the first row, 1, 5 and 2 is the second one row. So number of rows are 2 and the number of columns will be 6, 1 is the first column, 3, 5 is the second column and minus 1, 2 is the third column. So there are 3 columns. As number of rows is not equals to number of columns, number of rows is not equals to number of columns, so it is not a rectangular matrix. So it is a rectangular matrix, it is not a square matrix. The matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal. When number of rows and number of columns are equal, then that matrix is called a square matrix, and the matrix in which number of rows are not equals to number of columns, so that matrix will be called the rectangular matrix. The next one question is question number 2. List the order of the following matrices. The first part is a matrix A is given, so the number of rows are 1 and 2. The first row is 1, 2, minus 1 and the second row is 3, 4 and 2. So the number of rows are 2 and the number of columns, the first column is 1, 3, the second column is 2, 4 and the third column is minus 1, 2. So there are 3 columns. Hence, order of the matrix A will be 2 by 3, means number of rows by number of columns. Look at the next question, that is question number 3. If A is a matrix, give the following elements. The first one part is give the following elements. So the first part is A12. A12 means the element of the matrix A which lies in first row and second column. 1, 2 means first row and second column. So the first row is 3, 2, minus 4 and the second column is 2, 5, 1, 4. It means this one element is the element A12. So the element which lies in first row and second column, that is 2. Similarly, we can say that in the second part, it is given that A23. What does it mean? Means that element which lies in the second row and the third column. So the second row and the third column is this one element. It's talking about the element which lies in the second row and third column. So it will be 2, 3.